Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I'm back with this new WhatsApp chatbot which I have created to automate gym memberships through my WhatsApp account. And in this video, I will show you a WhatsApp chatbot that will help my customer to book their gym membership plans for themselves. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on our behalf. So now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate gym members on my WhatsApp account. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and inside this chat, when I will send this keyword gym plans, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hi, welcome to PulseFit Gym. How can I help you today? Just below this text, I have got these two different buttons to select from. So to view membership plans, I will click on this particular button. Then you will see that this bot has sent me this list of all the plans. So I will open this list, and from here I will select this particular plan and I will send it inside this chat. Then we will see that this bot is asking me for my full name. So I will quickly enter my full name inside this chat, and then we will see that for new question this bot will ask me. So here I have sent my name. Now this bot is asking me for my phone number. So I will quickly enter my phone number inside this chat, and then you will see that this bot will ask me another question, and this time it is asking me for my email address. So I will also enter my email address inside this chat, and then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me to select the branch which I would prefer. So I will select this particular branch, and after that this bot has sent me another message where it is asking me for the date from when I will start my membership. So I will enter this particular date inside this chat, 16th of November 2025, and I will send it here. Then you will see that this bot has sent me the summary of my details. So you can see this is the name, this is my phone number, this is my email ID, this is the branch, this is the plan that I have selected, and this is my starting date. And you can see this bot has also given me this member ID. Now I just have to click on this button pay now or pay later to select my payment plan. So as I want to pay now, so I will click on this pay now button, and here this bot has sent me this payment link from where I can pay partially to confirm my booking, and then I have to click on this button given here. So I will open this link, and inside this particular page I will pay for my membership. And then after paying for my membership, I have to click on this button given here. Then you will see that this bot has sent me this concluding message: welcome to PulseFit Jaitrapati. Our team will verify the payment and reach out to you soon for further process. Here are your details. So you can see this bot has sent me my details, and the orientation is booked for this particular date at 10 a.m. So you just saw how easy it was for me to book a membership plan for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself to automate your business. So to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, you have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter button you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this page you will see that these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free, will get visible to you. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. And as I am an existing user, so I have to click on this sign in button. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here I will click on this sign in button, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And the first thing that you have to do when you are inside this dashboard is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and you can choose any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has this following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a flow for yourself, from this left side here you have to click on this flows, and then you have to select this flows. After that you will get directed on this flow builder page where you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself. So this is the exact same flows that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all I will deactivate this flow, as I am going to create this exact same flow with you guys, and then I will click on this add flow button to start creating a new flow for myself. And the first step of our flow is this trigger button. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So we will work on this trigger button, but before that let me give a meaningful name to my chatbot as this chatbot to automate gym membership. And then you can see this trigger button. For this trigger button I will click on this drop down of this trigger event. You will see this is a list of trigger event which I can select to kickstart my chatbot. So for today I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this particular box. So to enter keywords inside this box, you just have to type down that particular keyword, and then when you will press this enter button, your keyword will get added successfully. So I will add one more keyword, this membership, and you will see that as soon as I press this enter button, this keyword is also added successfully. And here you can see this regex box is also given to us, so we can enter either this keyword or this regex to kickstart this particular chatbot. So as I have entered this keyword, so I will skip this regex for now. So we will move towards my first action step. So I want that whenever any customer sends me any of these following keywords, then I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Then first of all I will connect both of these following circles to make sure that this particular text button follows this keyword given by my customer. And then inside this enter message box I will enter the message for my customer, and also just below this particular text I will add two different type of buttons for my customer to select from. So here I have entered this message and also these two different buttons for my customer to select from. Now we will work on this button one by one. So first of all, I want that whenever my customer clicks on this particular button, membership plans, I want to send them a list of plans that I have in my gym. So to frame a list, I will drag in the list from here, and then first of all, I will connect both of these following circles. After that, I will enter this body and footer of my list. So for this body, I will enter this particular text, Pulse Fit plans, and then for this footer I will enter this particular text, check out all our new plans. Now to add section inside my list, I have to click on this add section button, and then I will add 4 different items inside this particular section. So to add items, I just have to click on this button, add items. So as I want to add 4 different items, so I will click on this button 4 times. So you can see all of my 4 items are now ready to be entered. So first of all, let us give a name to this particular section as this R plans. Now I will give a name to this particular title as this basic, which is available for $9.99 per month, and then I will also add the description of this particular plan as this access of 6 AM to 12 PM free orientation session. And you can see I have successfully added the first item of my list. Now just like this, I will quickly add all the remaining items of my list. So here I have added all of the items inside my list. You can see first item is this basic, second is this standard, the third one is this premium, and the last one is this all season. Now I want that whenever my customer selects any of this plan for themselves, then I want my chatbot to remember the selection made by my customer. So that can be made possible with the help of this set custom field. So I will drag it in here, and then first of all I will connect both of these following circles like this. After that, when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. Now from here I will select this particular custom field service type, because this is the custom field which I have created to store the plan selected by my customer. And then inside this enter value box, I just have to copy the title of this item from here, and I have pasted it like this. And with this, my contact custom field is ready for this particular item. From now onwards, whenever my customer selects this particular plan for themselves, then my chatbot will record it with themselves, and later I can use use the selection made by my customer by just applying the $sign in front of the name of this particular service type contact custom field. So just like this, I will quickly add contact custom fields to each of my remaining items. So here I have also added contact custom fields to each of my items. Now I will show you how you can also create such an contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this page, I would like to advise you to click on the save button to save your flow. Otherwise your flow will get lost. And as our flow is updated successfully, so I will click on the settings, and from here I will select this particular contact custom fields. And in here, these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to add one more field, I just have to click on this particular button, and then after I will give a name to this field. Then when I will click on the save button, you will see that this particular custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this particular contact custom field inside my flows. So you can see this is the flow in which I am working. When I will click on this particular contact custom field drop down, you will see that here this particular contact custom field has been created successfully. Now I can select this custom field if I want to. Now I hope that you have understood how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. So with this, I will move towards my next action step. So for that, I want to ask some questions to my customer. So to frame a question from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect all of these particular contact custom fields with this question button, and then I will frame the question for my customer. So for this first question, I will enter this text where I am asking my customer for their full name. That's why for this contact custom field drop down, I will click on this and I will select this particular custom field full name which I have created to store the name of my customer. And then for this format, I will select this format as text because this is the format in which I want my customer to reply to me. And you can see this number of attempt box is also given to us, and inside this box I can enter the number of attempts which I want to give to my customer. But for now I will skip this, and as I want to ask two more continuous questions from my customer, so I will drag in this ask question button. First of all, I will duplicate this particular question buttons, and then I will enter messages inside both of these following question buttons. So here I have successfully framed these two remaining question buttons. In the first one of this, I am asking my customer for their phone number, and in the second one, I am asking them for their email ID, and also I have selected their respective contact custom field and their respective formats. Now I will move further. So for now, I want my customer to select their respective branches. So for that, I will frame this particular button, and inside this, I will type down this particular question: which branch do you prefer? And just below this, I will add these three different buttons, and in these buttons, I will add the three different type of branches for my customer to select from. So here I have also added text inside my buttons. Now as I want to store this selection also, so that's why I will again drag in this set custom field, and first of all I will connect both of these following buttons, and then inside this contact custom field drop down, I will select this particular contact custom field destination, and then for this value I will just copy this particular text and I will paste it inside this like this. Now just like this, I will quickly add this contact custom field to each of my remaining buttons. So here I have successfully added these contact custom fields to each of my buttons. Now for my next action step, I want to ask my customer another question. So I have dragged in this question button. Now first of all, I will connect all of these following contact custom field with this particular question message, and then inside this particular enter message box, I will enter this question for my customer where I am asking them that when do you want your membership to start. Now just below this particular question for this contact custom field drop down, I will select this particular custom field date, and then for this format I will select it as any. And for my next action step, I want to give my customer a summary of his booking. So that's why I have from this message features here, I will drag in this text button, and after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter my message inside this particular box. So I will enter this particular message where you can see I have provided details about all of the selections made by my customer, and here I have used this $sign and full name to map the name of my customer, this $sign and phone to map the phone, and also I have done the same for the email, branch, plan, and also there's a start date given by my customer. And here I have also provided my customer with their member ID, and for this member ID you can see I have used this PF and this $sign as this phone number of my customer. Now I will just connect both of these following circles, and then just below this particular text I will add two different buttons, and in those I will add these text of pay now and pay later. So here I have entered both of these following buttons. Now I will frame them one by one. So for that I will drag in this text button. First of all, I will copy this particular text button because as I want to frame these two buttons one by one, and then I will connect both of these buttons with this particular text buttons. Now I will quickly enter the text inside both of my following buttons. So inside this first button I will enter this text where you can see I have provided my customer with this payment link, and just below this particular button I will type down this particular text paid, so that my customer can click on this particular button to notify me about their payment. And inside this second text button I will add this text where you can see I have written this: no worries, $ full name, you can pay for your membership anytime within next 24 hours. Just click the button given below, and just below this particular text I will add this button, and in here I will add this exact same text that my customer can click on this button pay now to pay for their membership. Now I will connect this particular button with this particular text button with the link of payment, and after this, if my customer clicks on this paid button to notify me about their payment, I want to send them a final concluding message. So that's why I have tagged in this particular text button. I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will paste this particular text for my customer where you can see I have entered the text: our team will verify the payment and reach out to you soon for further process. So with this I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot, and here the creation of this first membership plans button of ours is successful. Now we will work on the second button of ours, talk to the manager. So for that I will drag in this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Now I will enter the text inside this particular text button. So here you can see I have also added the text inside this button, and inside this first button I have entered this text: sure, connecting you to our manager. And just below this I have added another text button, and in which I have given my customer with this particular number that they can call directly to talk with our customer agent. And just below this particular text you can see I have also added this button: membership plans, so my customer can click directly on this button to view a membership plans for themselves. Now I will connect this particular button with this particular list of this membership plans, and then I will connect this particular button talk to the manager with this particular text button. And with this I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will click on this save button to save this workflow, otherwise this flow will not work as expected. Now I will open my WhatsApp account, and in there I will again send this particular keyword gym plans to see if the chatbot is working properly or not. And here we have received this welcome message. This means that our WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. Now I can interact with this WhatsApp chatbot if I want to book this membership for myself. So I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And you can also clone this flow by copying the link of this Chatflow from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.